Some of you have asked, how do I do this? I'm going to show you. Okay, here I have my sold inventory. Here are my Sunday sales, and I've got them all categorized. Got lots of bins. This is one room. I have another room that also has some bins. So we come over here. Everything is labeled. Let's go to in 17. We are looking for some vintage. Oh, I love when this happens. Here, look at this. It's right here. I don't have to go anywhere. In 17. How easy was that? We peel off the label. We are with vintage polo pants. I only print one label at a time. Oh, we don't want to get too close because we don't want people seeing the addresses. Only one label at a time because accidents can sometimes happen, and I don't know how these other resellers do it when they have label. It looks impressive, but accidents can happen. So, one at a time. This is already done. That can go in there. We love our IKEA bags, don't we? Plop on that label. Goodbye, beautiful vintage 1980s polo Ralph Lauren patchwork pants. Bags free, USPS. All your shipping needs for Poshmark. And then, boop, goes inside. Handy dandy there. Okay, next one. We are done with that. So now let's do, nudie jeans. Actually, these nudie jeans, they are L6. So come over here. Oh, the most gorgeous shirt. These sold on Grailed, so they're going to be a different label. I still have to weigh them, so I'm going to put them right over here. Weigh them and ship them off another little later. So let's go to maxi dress, flowy bell sleeves, Ashley Stewart, size 24-22, FF21. Someone's getting ready for the 4th of July. Actually, 3 items today were in the red, white, and blue color scheme, which is pretty cool. So I go back to ship a label, and this was maxi dress, floral. And then I love the, I have a Dymo 4XL printer. Take off my little numbering label, and this is going off to Boise, Idaho for a beautiful 4th of July party. I really like this dress. So I sell on Poshmark, Grailed, and Kittison. So far, Poshmark is the winner. Every day I have to go to on Grailed and delete an item because it's sold on Poshmark. But I get enough on Grailed to make it worth my while. And I love selling men's clothing. It's absolutely my favorite. So I'll show you one more item. Let's go to II8. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. II8. What am I looking for? It helps when you know what you're looking for. Oh yeah, that cute little VW bus. These aren't in order. They're smaller. 6, 7, 8. They were in order. Super cute VW bus t-shirt. New with tag. I believe this was a daddy got this for his daughter. That's fun. Then we go back over to the labels. It's a 2x2 Girl on Tour VW bus tee. And we print out the label. It's the sound of money. I started selling almost a year ago. And actually come Father's Day, which is in a one Sunday, 2 Sundays, will be my 1-year anniversary. And I got a label printer on Christmas. best thing ever. If you're getting serious about selling, oh, so good. And in the bag. So, have a few more to do, but I think you have an idea now about how my setup is. I've watched so many resellers videos, and someday I will link to all of their names, but because I've got about a dozen that I've followed and I've learned so much from. If you're going to get into this, watch videos, follow people on Instagram, and find what works best for you. I think I've made a little system that well, it's so easy. It's so easy, and I love this life. I love it. It's my future.